Hi, my name is Osvaldo, and today I'm going to do my State of Matter science project. Here's what we're gonna need: frozen juice, water, a big spoon, and a container. First, you put the solid juice in the water. Done. You mix it with a spoon. Look how the solid is turning to liquid. Now pour the juice in the container. Too much, too much, too much. Perfect. Now put it in the freezer for 10 to 20 minutes.
A few minutes later.
It's done. It turned to solid to liquid and now to solid. Want a bite?
A few moments later.
Second project is soda pop in a bottle. What you need is a bottle of soda and a balloon. The bottle of soda and put the balloon over the bottle. You will see how the balloon fills in with gas. Ooh, it's already filling up.
Why don't you try to squeeze the bottle and see what happens?
Growing. What? Look at that.
12 seconds later.
My third experiment is cut and connect water drops. You will need water in a clear container, food coloring, wax paper, a toothpick, and a straw. Put 1 drop of food coloring in the container. Now we're shaking it. Now let's use the straw.
Boom. Let's see what it works. Oh, wow!
Whoa!
Do it again.
Oh, it multiplied! Now we're gonna use the toothpick.